Does this scene look familiar to you? Is this you? Perhaps you know somebody in this condition that you would like to help. Snoring is a serious condition. I know this from personal experience. My name is Oswald, and I have this brief message for you. Snoring can harm your health in many ways. Just ask your doctor about snoring. He will confirm that snoring can lead to many conditions like high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, stress, loss of libido, daytime fatigue. The list goes on and on. Snoring affects 1 in every 5 people. 1 in 5 couples sleep in separate bedrooms. So, change the way you sleep and make a difference in your life. By controlling your snoring and improving your sleep, you can avoid the conditions I just mentioned. Just click below on the video to see our patented sleep system. I'm sure that you and your partner will love this innovative idea. Just click below.